Biggest struggle dito as an OFW in Qatar na mayaman.
Paano gagastusin yung pera?
Talaga? Di ko alam paano sa start eh. Okay, hi guys. We're at the middle of a session here in Qatar. I have Steve.
Hello.
Oh, sabi nila super gym buff ka daw dito. Oh, grabe. Malaking muscle niya, guys. Super. Okay, what's your question?
Coach, total, you introduce us to compound interest, ganon. Anong pinaka-the best instrument to invest para maka-earn ng ganon?
Na, no? Yun yung matututunan natin today, no? That there is no one investment that's the best. Kasi you will find out that you invest based on the returns that you want eh. Tsaka yung plan na gusto mo makuha. So, for some kasi bakit mo kailangan mag-take ng sobrang risk kung ito lang yung kailangan mo makuha. Pero in terms of, ako, medyo bias ako, I'll say this. The best returns that I've seen so far, stocks, tsaka starting your own business. So, if you want to get a larger return, business, if you want to multiply that return, stock market. Yun. Yun na yun?
Well said.
Yun na yun?
Follow-up question.
Oh, wait. Teka lang. Ito talaga importante, guys. Siya may hawak ng pera sa pamilya nila eh. Oh, totoo.
Hindi
Totoo.
po.
Sa mga katulad ko na may asawa,
Naku.
mga nasa, may term sila eh. I forgot the term. Bullied Husbands Club. Bullied Husbands Club. Hindi na namin hawak yung pera eh. So, go. What's your question?
Ano pong insight?
Name pala. Name.
Yen.
Yen. Okay, Yen. What's your question?
Ano pong...
Siya yung wife ni ano. Han. Okay.
Anong insights niyo about sa mga rental, real estate?
Okay, what about it?
So, ano ba siya? Okay siya as an investment, in general. Like, I have a one condo for rental.
Okay, yaman. One condo, guys. De, joke lang. Okay.
So, parang, kung bibili pa ba kami ng more? Or...
Depende. It's, it's a answer of yield eh. Meaning, magkano yung pinasok mo, magkano yung ginamit nyo sa loan, yun yung total cost mo eh. Yes?
Yeah. Actually, paid na siya.
Paid na siya. So,
wala naman
what you can compute is, magkano yung linabas mong pera para sa condo, tapos magkano mo siya mapaparent. For example, 10 million yung condo, lahat-lahat, mapaparent mo ng, say, 600,000 a year, you earn 6%. Yung question that you need to ask is 6% okay for you? It's a function of magkano yung kikitain mo. So, pwede kasi bumili ka ng kahit anong property, pero yung kikitain mong rental is not as much, sayang. So, it will always go back on how much will you get from it.
Do you think mas okay ang house, like a lot, house and lot, or
Depends eh. Yield pa rin eh. So, house versus condo, depende sa location. If yung house na yun nasa isang lugar na wala masyadong foot traffic, labanan sa rentals is foot traffic. The closer you are to the center, the larger the foot traffic. The closer you are to the center, mas mabilis siya mag-appreciate din. The closer you are to the center, paalis yung magre-rent, mas mabilis may mapapalitan yun. Kasi yung technique dun is this. As time goes by, it might even get more traffic. So, people will want convenience. Pwede mo pang tingnan, gaano to kalapit sa schools, sa trabaho ng mga tao, sa convenience stores, sa department stores, sa supermarkets. Kasi some of them, baka ayaw na nila mag-travel going to where they want. So, ako, rule of thumb ko, if you want na mas mabilis siyang maparentahan, as close as it can be to the center, that's one. Or, kung willing ka maghintay and you're betting on a particular place na gaganda, you buy that, pero you have to wait for a very long time.
Like,
habang naghintay ka, walang kita yun.
Do you think like in Bulacan, ngayon medyo ano siya?
Pwede, pero in Bulacan, hindi na siya ganun kamura eh.
O kasi nga nasa-start na siya ngayong dahil sa airport na gagawin.
Yung labanan ngayon is you have to find saan yung cheaper. Years ago, sinasabi ko na San Vicente. Pero ngayon, San Vicente, nagkakaubasan na doon.
So
if you want to get something na hindi pa inaano ng mga tao, Sikihor. And the reason why I say this,
We've been to Sikihor.
this is, para more people who watch this, you give the middle middle class a chance to make money. Kasi kung hindi, it will just be the same people who are doing this. That's why we're posting this video so that more people can have more ideas also. So,
Sikihor.
Sikihor.
What else?
You can look for mga areas na may government projects na, for example, Bohol, kakabukas ng isang airport doon na maganda. So, it will increase tourist arrivals dun sa area na yun. If it increase tourist arrivals, syempre, kailangan ng lodging.
Yeah.
Not just lodging for tourists, kasi pag mas madaming hotels dun, kailangan ng mga
Workforce.
empleyado ng
Yes.
titirahan also. So, you can tap that market or you can tap the Airbnb market and do something as well.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, ako mag-question.
Oh, come here, step into my office. Step into my... Kala ko manonood ka lang, guys. Sa lahat na nag-attend, she's one of the richest here. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
yeah, I
Accountant.
claim it. My God.
What's your question? Name first.
Stacy Caduto,
Okay, okay.
and I wanna have a question like, Sir, kunwari ako kasi nagti-trading ako while
Okay.
investing.
Okay.
Now kasi sabi nila we have to do the investing like for the blue chips,
Okay.
right? But I can see the pattern that some of the blue chips goes down over time sometimes.
Yeah.
Ano po yung magiging, ano pong recommendation nyo para po mabalance ko lagi? Can I sell my blue chips
Or
along the way? Say
Mm.
for example, I am, let's say, isang telephone company
Okay.
where I have invested for 5 to 10 years already.
Okay.
And the gain was so much of
PLDT ba to?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Pinangalanan nyo po and then it goes down.
Kasi
So
yung interesting doon is, if you watch the videos, I don't even mention the term blue chips I don't tell people buy because of if it's blue chip or not. You buy because of the fundamentals.
Yes.
And yung PLDT, 6 years ago, I was already telling people, pangit fundamentals on because the income is declining. So it's not about, new problem is if you go about that, yung labanan dun sa blue chip branding, na kasi PLDT is big
Yeah.
But you go based on what the fundamental analysis is telling you. The sell signal for PLDT came 6 years ago.
Oh.
So, yun, that's how you can spin it, that's how you can make it work. So, focus on the fundamentals. If the fundamentals change, sell. If you want to time it better, focus on the technicals. The trend changes, sell.
Okay.
Ganun lang. Yun nga lang, what you need to deploy there is, pinag-aaralan siya.
Yes.
Pero, yung pag-aral nun, for me it's taking the time, just a few weeks and months to master it. And then, it's a lifetime skill na. Parang nagbabike ka. At the first, it hurts, matutumba ka, you have to learn. But after that, okay na Pero, people don't want to take the time at the start to learn. Yun.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, hope you
Thank
learned a lot.
you.
No more question. Last na lang.
Wala na po.
Oh, feeling ko pag ikaw malakas yung hits.
Ako lang yun, paulit-ulit lang ako. Replay.
Sobrang yaman, guys.
Replay lang. I wish po.
Totoo.
I wish po. Replay lang ako, replay sa
Okay.
videos.
So that's it.
Yes,
Okay na.
bye. Thank you.
Wala nang iba?
Wala na.
Ito na lang.
Nandun nosebleed lang kami sa ano.
Biggest struggle dito as an OFW in Qatar na mayaman.
Paano gagastusin yung pera?
Talaga?
Hindi, joke lang yun. Joke lang, hindi. Hindi din.